wristwatch. Big band deal, nigga want a wristwatch. Big band deal, nigga want a wristwatch. Big band deal, nigga want a wristwatch. This pain so deep, a nigga just cried in his sleep. This dick's on me. These niggas don't want me to eat.
Jeez. All right. So we are Buck. It's the world's most smoked out podcast. We love hip hop. I'm your host with the most toast, Friday Ricky Dred, aka More Fire, aka I don't even need any AKAs today. But to the right of me,
it's me, SSC _ Hey Hercs _ Hold on, SSC _ Hey Hercs _ PK on Instagram. Let's get that right, people. But yeah, R.I.P. to Nipsey Hussle.
R.I.P. Neighborhood Nip, yo.
You know, it's a sad day, but good light. There's gonna be a tribute tomorrow.
Yeah. For the people who are in the listening audience right now, for the morning gang, you're gonna be able to go check out the Vigil that's going on at Christie Pitts. The Vigil going down over at Christie Pitts tomorrow night. So Candlelight Vigil it's April 4th. So for the people who are listening right now, it would be April 4th. You know what I mean? Make sure to go down to Christie Pitts. I think it's around 7 o'clock or something like that.
After 7 and on.
Yeah.
I think it's 8:15 Bloor Street.
8:15 Bloor Street, and then there's supposed to be like a get-together afterwards at a bar over there.
It's funny because like one of the biggest like Crip gangs in the city used to take over out of that park at Christie Pitts.
Over the pits, yeah.
Right, so...
Yeah, man, definitely a big loss in the hip hop community and just the world period. Yo, Nipsey was going to be doing things and was doing things that was changing the world. You know what I'm saying?
Man, was a positive light. Yeah, he had a negative past, but he had a positive future.
Super facts.
You know what I'm saying?
Super duper facts.
And it's just unfortunate that his wifey and child and his family have to go through that grievance of losing such a powerful person. You know, his brother, his father, his mother, his wife, his child. Like I said before, it sucks.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And like David said, a king got taken out by a sucker.
Super
you know what I'm
facts.
saying? And that's
real goofy.
Fucking whack, yo. So,
yeah, man.
Now, don't worry, I'm going to build up something.
Build up a thing?
Build up a thing in honor of Nipsey, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man. Yeah, we're going to definitely be making sure that we honor Nipsey's name, his legacy. You know, we're going to have a few more tunes that we sprinkle out throughout the show. So, you know, give us our grace, SoundCloud and Spotify and all that. You know what I'm saying?
Man, they're going to eat out our back. They don't care.
You think so?
They don't give a shit, man. Like I said, when Prodigy died and I posted respect for Prodigy son, they came at me like, nah, get that down. We don't want that. Sorry, you don't own that.
Yeah.
Sorry, you don't own that.
Yeah.
Sorry, no thanks. You don't own it. Pull it down right now, ASAP.
Well, I'll say one thing. For the people who are able to stream his music on Spotify, iTunes, or whatever, make sure to stream that man's music, okay? Because he owned it. He owned it. He did it the independent way. You know what I'm saying? A lot of artists be, fake independent. You know what I'm saying? But Nipsey, he did it the independent way all the way up to the Victory Lap album when he finally signed a deal and he retained most of the ownership of the royalties from that, like a bigger percentage, and he owned his masters. You know what I'm saying? So anytime you stream Nipsey Hussle's music, it's not like the record company got to get breaked off of his masters first before his family gets that money. It's all going to his family. And let that be a lesson to any artist out there too. Leave your legacy. Own your shit. You know what I'm saying?
It's crazy that they killed Nipsey in the parking lot. Yeah, pray for her too, Lauren London. Yeah,
pray for Laura London. Yeah.
Huh? She's in the hospital. Does she have like a stroke or something?
No, she fell. She had a breakdown today.
Oh gosh.
She fainted, but she hit her head on the coffee table.
Ooh.
So she's in the hospital.
Oh man, pray for her. Yes.
Pray for Lauren.
Yeah. Shout out to Laura London.
She's strong for them babies, so.
Yeah, she broke her silence as well. You know what I mean? She said
yesterday.
She put out a thing on Twitter. I think it was Twitter, Instagram. Yeah. So
Toronto ambience.
Yeah.
She pasted pictures across and basically the kids, because there's no actual pictures of her kids on social media now. they're out there.
Yeah.
I didn't even know they had a kid together.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, because
I know they were together.
Everything was so fine. They got married recently. Like they're
married too.
They're married now.
Oh wow.
They had an urchin wedding. That's why nobody knew about it. And if you read the GQ article, that's how you would have found out all of that information.
And he just had the GQ article on top of that. See that?
She Sav the ghost in the room. She's doing work.
Yeah. Yo, Savy on the move. Yo, even on that, quick shout out to Savy the ghost in the room. You know what I'm saying? She's been holding us down on the news stories. I've been posting on the 6 Views page some of the fuckery that's been going on in the city. You know what I'm saying? Scary hours.
Did you see the measles post? Because that was gross.
Scary hours.
Yeah, fear mongers. They're trying to fear people, you know?
Oh, that's actually so disgusting. But yeah.
If you had chicken pox, is what they won't tell you. If you had chicken pox, you can't get measles.
Cheat code.
If you had chicken pox before, you can't get measles.
They're in the same family.
Get you some chicken pox, kids.
It's not about get you some chicken pox. I'm just saying, like, for our generation, like us, I can say myself, I had chicken pox, so I'm not worried about fucking measles.
Scratch the fuck out of them motherfuckers.
What, like, all the vaccinations that you got then are different now. You know what I mean? So,
obviously, they're different now.
And
they're more mutated now.
And imagine the adults then weren't getting vaccinated the way that most people were. So they're running around here just not immune to half of the things that are just airborne into place now.
So dirty man walked in the mall and let off the measles.
Man.
Dirty youth.
Anybody can have the measles.
Dirty, yeah.
Could have been a little kid.
Exactly. You could have contracted that from a kid because you never had a chicken pox.
Dirty youth.
Everybody gets chicken pox.
Not everybody though. Not everybody gets chicken pox.
I mean, I'd say they're lucky.
Yo, chicken pox was gone for a minute.
You have to get
and
that.
then it came back heavy.
The chicken pox is back like cooked crack.
Yo, it came back. It made its comeback like what? 2 years ago. My virgins, remember all of like my virgins, them they have little girls, all of them like between the ages of flipping 7 to 9 or whatever, from 9 the oldest is 9, the youngest is 8 or 7, whatever.
Did they all get it back
They
to back?
all got chicken pox
One time
from school. It was going around the school. They got their chicken pox, and now measles is going around.
I even know who I got chicken pox from. I got chicken pox from Holly. That's who I got chicken pox from.
Whoever that is.
Holly.
Shout out to you, Holly.
Whoever you are, Holly. You've been put on blast for giving out chicken pox.
Grade 1, Holly. You gave
Holly
me
was
chicken pox.
contagious.
Trust
But you
me.
know what?
Huh?
Ground zero.
I have no clue.
Ground zero?
Her last name.
Ground zero is school.
Yeah.
And the mall.
Ground zero is school. Children, the young kids, the young ones, they'll bring you home sickness that you weren't even aware of.
Listen,
next thing you know, you're fucking coughing down the place. You're all sniffles, mucus everywhere, and you're wondering how. Because your little youth came home from school and sneezed on you.
Trust me, niece, 2 years old. Little girl says she's sick. Oh, you're sick? Yes, auntie, I'm so sick. Rub your hand in my face and just sneeze. Took me out for 2 weeks straight, just in bed,
there
can't
you
move,
go.
body hurt, tub, everything. That's
sore.
crazy.
You understand what I'm saying? But yeah.
But yo, let's quick shout out to the people also, the morning gang, the Thursday morning gang.